And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to side load apps safely in Android. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to side load apps safely in Android, all you can do is simply download APKs from trusted sources like reputable app stores or like App Mirror or Aptoid, which are the official developer sites. Before installing, you need to enable the necessary permissions in your setting, like install unknown apps, and carefully review the app's permission. Now you can look for user review to ensure that the app is not malicious. Keep your device and security software updated and regularly uninstall any side-loaded apps you no longer need. So this is how you can simply sideload apps safely in your Android. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.